Picture this. You're sitting in your favorite coffee shop, scrolling through job listings when you notice something terrifying. Half the jobs you qualified for last year? They're gone, replaced by AI. But here's what the media won't tell you. While everyone's panicking about robots stealing jobs, a small group of people are quietly building fortunes by learning skills that make them irreplaceable. What if I told you that the same AI revolution destroying traditional jobs is creating opportunities to earn six figures without a college degree? What if the very thing everyone fears could be your ticket to financial freedom? Welcome to Sentry, where we unlock hidden secrets to wealth and success. The job market as we know it is dead. And if you're still thinking like it's 2015, you're about to get left behind. But here's the secret the wealthy already know. Every major disruption creates massive wealth transfer. The internet created Amazon billionaires. Social media created influencer millionaires. Now AI is creating the next wave of wealthy individuals, and most people have no clue how to ride this wave. The difference between those who thrive and those who survive comes down to 7 specific skills. Skills so powerful that mastering just one of them can put you in the top 5% of earners. Skills that don't require you to spend 4 years in college or learn complex coding. But first, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly adapt to change while others get crushed by it? Here's what's really happening behind closed doors. While the news talks about job losses, smart money is flowing toward people who understand one fundamental truth. AI doesn't replace humans. It replaces humans who don't know how to use AI. Think about it. When calculators were invented, did mathematicians disappear? No. The ones who learned to use calculators became more powerful, while those who refused got left behind. The same pattern is happening now, but on steroids. The wealthy aren't afraid of AI. They're hiring people who can harness it. They're paying premium salaries. We're talking $80,000 to $200,000 per year for skills that didn't exist 5 years ago. Skills you can learn in months, not years. Before we dive in, I want to thank each of you for being here and watching our content. We've noticed that most of you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, and honestly, that would mean the world to us. Your subscription helps us reach more people who desperately need this life-changing information we share. So please, take 2 seconds and subscribe. It costs you nothing but helps us everything. So, what are these 7 skills that are creating the new wealthy class? Skill number 1. Precision prompting, the new language of money. Imagine having a conversation with the smartest person in the world, but they only give you exactly what you ask for. That's AI. Most people ask AI generic questions and get generic answers. But the wealthy have learned the art of precision prompting, asking AI the exact right questions to get million-dollar insights. Here's a real example. Instead of asking, "How do I start a business?" a precision prompter asks, "Create a 90-day launch plan for a $50,000 revenue digital service business targeting busy executives who need help with time management, including specific pricing strategies, customer acquisition channels, and operational systems." See the difference? The first question gets you a Wikipedia article. The second gets you a business blueprint. Companies are paying $100,000 plus for AI prompt engineers because they understand that the person who can communicate most effectively with AI controls the output. Master this skill, and you become the bridge between human creativity and AI capability. But here's what they don't want you to know. You don't need a computer science degree to master this. You need pattern recognition and strategic thinking, skills you probably already have. Skill number 2. AI-powered trend scouting. While everyone else is looking at what happened yesterday, AI can help you see what's coming tomorrow. The wealthy use AI to spot trends before they explode, then position themselves to profit. Here's how it works. AI can analyze millions of data points, social media mentions, search patterns, market movements, news sentiment, and identify patterns that human analysts would miss. Companies are paying $75,000 to $150,000 for trend intelligence specialists who can feed this information into strategic decisions. Picture this. What if you could have predicted the plant-based meat trend 2 years before it exploded? Or seen the remote work revolution coming before everyone else? That's the power of AI-assisted trend scouting. The secret sauce isn't just using AI tools, it's knowing which signals matter and how to turn predictions into profitable actions. This skill alone has created more millionaires in the past 2 years than most people realize. Skill number 3. AI content strategy and repurposing. Content is still king, but AI has just made everyone a potential kingmaker. The old way of creating content was expensive and time-consuming. The new way? One piece of content becomes 50, all personalized for different audiences. Here's what's happening in the shadows. Smart content strategists are using AI to take one webinar and turn it into 20 blog posts, 50 social media posts, 10 email sequences, and 5 different video formats, all optimized for different platforms and audiences. But here's the million-dollar insight. It's not about quantity. It's about intelligent repurposing. AI can analyze which parts of your content resonate with different audience segments, then automatically create variations that speak directly to each group's pain points. Companies are desperately seeking AI content strategists who can 10x their content output while maintaining quality. These positions start at $80,000 and go well into six figures because the ROI is massive. One strategist can replace entire content teams. The secret most people miss? AI doesn't create content. It amplifies human insights. The winning combination is human strategy plus AI execution. Skill number 4. AI-powered localization. Globalization used to require massive teams and budgets. Not anymore. AI has democratized global business, and smart operators are cashing in. Here's what localization really means. It's not just translating words, it's adapting your entire message for different cultures, markets, and mindsets. AI can now analyze cultural nuances, local buying behaviors, and regional preferences to customize everything from product descriptions to marketing campaigns. Think about this. A small business owner in Ohio can now sell to customers in Japan, Brazil, and Germany simultaneously, with AI handling all the cultural adaptation. Companies are paying $90,000 to $160,000 for AI localization specialists who can open new markets without hiring local teams. But here's the insider secret. The real money isn't in the translation. It's in understanding which products and messages will work in which markets. AI gives you the data, but human insight creates the strategy. Skill number 5. Customer personalization at scale. Every customer wants to feel special, but personalizing experiences for thousands of customers used to be impossible. AI changed everything. The wealthy understand that personalization isn't about using someone's first name in an email. It's about creating unique experiences based on behavior, preferences, and predictive modeling. AI can analyze customer data to predict what they'll want before they know it themselves. Here's a real example. Instead of sending the same email to everyone, AI can create thousands of variations, different subject lines, different offers, different timing, all automatically optimized for each individual recipient. The result? Some companies see 300% increases in conversion rates. Customer experience engineers, who can implement AI personalization systems, are commanding $95,000 to $180,000 because they directly impact revenue. Every personalized interaction is a potential sale. The secret sauce? Understanding human psychology combined with AI capability. You need to know why people buy, then let AI figure out how to trigger those motivations for each individual customer. Skill number 6. AI video content creation. Video used to require expensive equipment, editing skills, and hours of production time. AI has flipped the script entirely. Here's what's happening right now. AI can generate professional quality videos from simple text prompts, create realistic avatars that can speak in any language, and edit footage faster than human editors ever could. But here's the kicker. Most people are using these tools to create garbage. The wealthy are using AI video tools strategically. They're creating personalized video messages for high-value clients, generating training content at scale, and producing marketing videos that would have cost $50,000 to produce just 5 years ago. AI video strategists are earning $85,000 to $200,000 because they understand that the tool is just the beginning. The real value is in knowing what videos to create, when to deploy them, and how to measure their impact. The secret most people miss? AI handles the technical stuff, but humans still need to understand storytelling, psychology, and strategy. Skill number 7. Critical thinking and AI-age entrepreneurship. This is where everything comes together. All the technical skills in the world won't make you wealthy if you can't think strategically about how to use them. The new entrepreneurial mindset isn't about avoiding AI. It's about leveraging AI to solve problems faster, cheaper, and better than ever before. While others worry about AI taking jobs, entrepreneurs are using AI to create entirely new businesses. Here's the reality. AI has lowered the barrier to entry for almost every type of business. You can now start a consulting firm, launch a product, or create a service with minimal upfront investment because AI handles the heavy lifting. But here's what separates the winners from the wannabes. Critical thinking. The ability to see opportunities where others see threats. The skill to ask the right questions and interpret AI outputs strategically. The wealthy understand that in an AI-driven world, the most valuable skill isn't technical, it's the ability to think several moves ahead and spot opportunities that others miss. So here's my question for you. While everyone else is panicking about AI taking jobs, what are you going to do to position yourself on the winning side of this revolution? The skills I've shared today aren't just career boosters, they're wealth builders. Master even one of them, and you'll never worry about job security again. Master several, and you'll join the ranks of the AI wealthy. The opportunity window won't stay open forever. The early adopters are already pulling ahead, and the gap is widening every day. Which of these 7 skills resonates most with your current situation? What's stopping you from diving deep into one of them this week? Drop a comment and let me know. I read every single one. If this opened your eyes to the real opportunities hiding in plain sight, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're just getting started with the wealth secrets that will define the next decade. Remember, in the game of wealth, knowledge isn't power. Applied knowledge is power. What will you apply first?